Hey friends, welcome back to Don't Burn Dinner. It has been a very long time. I think the last time I actually recorded an episode, I was pregnant with Lennon and he is now 5. So it's been a while, but we have a fresh new concept. So what had happened is my grandmother unfortunately passed away and I inherited her recipes from like the 60s. All of the good ones. She was notoriously a terrible cook. The funny girl, the party girl, just like I've always been. So hereditary bad cook. But I was kind of leafing through everything, and what inspired me the most is I stumbled upon her mother gave her a recipe for this beef stew and the little quote that she wrote. So it was her mother's, so this would have been my great grandmother's first typing job. So the first thing she's ever typed up before was this recipe to my grandma when she was a newlywed. So it says, if Jack, so Jack was my grandpa, my grandma's husband, if Jack doesn't die from the stew, try it again on him and try it again on him sometime and you may make the grade. So that's hilarious. So she knows that this could be bad enough to kill her husband. So I thought it was a really good start. And if you remember, the first episodes of Don't Burn Dinner were all about the recipes that I got on my bridal shower from all of the other moms and wives there. And they were like, hey, these are really easy. Start from scratch with all of this. Like, you're a newlywed now, try it out. And I botched most of them. So now that I'm a mom, I'm finding that my kids don't want to eat anything at all. All they want is pizza, nuggets, So I thought it would be really fun to kind of revisit this idea. Now, instead of trying to impress Chris, let's try to get these kids to eat something. So hopefully you guys can all write in, help me if you've got recipes that you swear by that your kids eat. Let's try them. Let's give them all a go. I think this is going to be a really fun thing to revisit again because I really enjoyed it. It just, it happens when you've got kids. So first recipe, my mother's beef stew. So that's great grandmother. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, honey. Okay, we'll take you potty training. Okay.